Patchology's hydrating lip gels are the best way to restore your glow and hydrate your lips. Hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, peptides, and green tea extract will help you achieve soft and smooth lips while adding in some anti-aging benefits. Simply pop on a gel, and after 5 minutes, your lips will feel plump and supple. Sometimes I feel like I overlook taking care of my lips, so I always look forward to treating them with a lip gel.
At Kitsch, we are all about protecting your hair, but now we also have a product that's going to protect your lashes. This is the brand new Contour Pillow Eye Mask. It comes in 2 colors, both the charcoal and the blush. This is the coolest eye mask ever. Let me show you why. Not only is it the satin that you know and love, it is contoured on the inside. That way, if you wear fake eyelashes like I do, or you just have long lashes in general and you want to protect them, when you put this on your head, your lashes are not touching the mask at all. It has breathable memory foam right here. And of course, the band that goes around the back of your head is satin too, to protect the hair that it's touching. I love these so much for both every night's sleep, flights, road trips, all the things, because they block out all the light and they're so comfortable. I love these so much. I definitely recommend you grab one.
I am a skincare junkie. I am always looking for what's new on the market, what people are talking about, and what it does for your skin. So I was sent this whipped beef tallow balm from Wood Sleep, and I have been using it now for about a month. Okay, it comes in this little jar. It's about half gone. It smells amazing, and it is all natural. I have been using this on my face and my neck for probably a month now, and it is amazing the difference that I have seen. It's made from grass-fed beef tallow. This is what it looks like. It has raw honey, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. So it is a whipped cream. It feels cool to your face. It absorbs quickly into the skin. And I don't know if you can already see the glow it is giving my skin. I love how it's non-greasy. It absorbs so quickly into my skin and just gives me an instant radiance. I use this in the morning after my shower before I put my makeup on, and then after I cleanse at night, I put it on as well. And it gives me almost like a cooling feeling, but at the same time, my skin is instantly feeling hydrated and even somewhat tighter. This is great for sensitive skin. It would be perfect for a baby with dry skin. It's great for right after shaving. This 2-ounce tin could fit easily in your purse, in your glove box, in your car. You could keep it in a backpack. So if you are looking for something that is clean to put on your skin and you can get rid of all your other products and just use one, this is definitely worth a try. I highly recommend it.
This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and it's the #1 lip treatment brand in the US. It's made with antioxidant-rich berry fruit complex, which soothes and gently exfoliates flaky skin, leaving you with smooth, supple lips in the morning. This overnight lip mask also strengthens my lips' moisture barrier to help me retain moisture and hydration while I sleep. Apply a generous layer before you go to bed, and you'll wake up with softer, more supple lips that are silky to the touch. Shop the Lip Sleeping Mask today and check out all the different flavors it comes in.
You're probably wondering, do I need another eye patch? How is this one different? Isn't it just like all the rest? And I will tell you that I think there's a difference because they're called jet lag eye patches, and I think that's what they do. They're made with caffeine. So they are designed to rev you up, whether you're on an international flight or not. It kind of hydrates that sallow area under your eye, depuffs them, and it just sort of revitalizes and makes you feel all zhuzhed up. It's really good for under your makeup because it kind of smooths it all out, and I think it's recommended a try.